Hello and thank you for watching. In this episode I'll do an update of my progress so far. So the truck came by a few weeks ago, it sucked up all the dirt, it was about 6 cubic meters of dirt. It went really well and really quick. Since then I've been reorganizing a bit the work area, so I've been hanging some lights so I'm not tripping on the wire anymore, so it's a good thing, and I've been digging. Now I'm at the middle of the cellar. So first a quick montage of the work and then a commentary. Okay, so we are at the entrance and the new pile is forming up, quickly forming up. And it's because I've been digging a lot around here. So here we have the dig site and it's looking more and more like an archaeological site. So the new thing is this pit, which is really deep, and it's strange the way it's meshing between masonry here, the rock, the masonry and the rock again. It's a kind of organic construction. It's really interesting, but I really don't understand the purpose of this pit. And we have here the entrance of the sewer with the arch here. So let's take a look at the arch from the other side. So we have the arch here. It's quite interesting, but I don't understand why we have an arch if we have a wall directly in front of it. It doesn't make sense to me. So yeah, that's another mystery. Why we have an arch, why we have this wall here in front of the arch, and why we have this pit on the other side. Nothing made sense to me at this point. So we'll take a look in the pit. We can see the different layers here. So we have a layer here at the top that was below some kind of recent refuse that I removed, and this layer is formed by charcoal and maybe some soot. So this is a layer. We have another here. So there were some years between those two layers. And below, I don't know if there is anything else. We have this layer here, which is a mix of dirt and rocks, and it looks like the rock. And I don't know what it is. Maybe it's some refuse from some construction work that was removing the rock from somewhere, maybe for digging another cellar. I don't know, but in any way it's quite strange. And below here we have this layer of dirt, and the dirt was in the pit, and it's quite soft dirt, just a bit of earth with some water, and there wasn't a lot of rocks or bricks or anything into the dirt. It's quite unusual, and it was all over the pit. So I don't know, maybe it's a clue about why it was done this way. But now, as I am digging forward, I am finding more and more stones and bricks mixed into this dirt. So I will have to keep digging, of course, but now it's quite a lot of material to remove, and I will have to call the truck, I think, a lot sooner than I expected, but that's the game. So we can see the masonry here and this strange shape. Another cool find was this stone. So this stone was used as a beam here to protect. It was here, in fact, between here and here. And it was used to protect the entrance of the sewer. And we can see the spoon shape. I think that the water was coming here from a pipe or a gutter, and then being channeled by the stone. And I have other stones like it. All of those stones are quite similar. We have some ledge in here and a lip on the corresponding stone to attach into here and form a seal of some kind. So the question is, how old are those stones? Could they be from the Roman era? Are they indeed stones or some kind of Roman concrete? So a lot of interesting questions, and I think if I want to have some real definitive answer, I will have to send a sample of the stones to someone specialized, of course. But it will have to wait a bit. It's not my priority right now. In any case, I will keep the stones and maybe try to do some kind of display later. So yeah, a lot of digging to come, and a lot of questions about this arrangement here and the way it's connecting to the entrance. So if only I could see through the dirt, but I'm uncovering it as I go, and it's always a surprise what I find beneath the dirt. So that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. You take care, and I will continue digging, and I'll see you next time.